Space is silent, but these sounds are real. Everything you're about to hear comes from the universe itself. Big Bang. This is the sound of the universe being born, not recorded, but reconstructed from the oldest light ever detected. Black hole. What you hear is real data, gas heating up, spiraling toward a point with no escape. Helix Nebula. A dying star, expanding its final breath into space. Vela Pulsar. A neutron star spinning hundreds of times per second, each pulse perfectly timed. Interstellar Space. This may sound empty, but even the space between stars vibrates. Black hole collision. Two black holes merge. Space-time itself ripples. Earth. Wind. Oceans. Life. Saturn. A giant planet singing through magnetic storms. Comet Passing. Solar wind excites its glowing tail.
Like and subscribe to MINDXPLORE.